Welcome to On Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Organic chemistry questions for you. Here you have three different carbonyl system which is in the heterocyclic. First one will be with hydrogen, second one is with oxygen, and third is 5-member ring with cyclohexanone architecture with conjugated diene. You have to find among the three which one is anti-aromatic. Here aromaticity define the nature, so you should know the Huckel rule. So Huckel rule, aromatic mean 4n plus 2 conjugated, anti-aromatic mean 4n and conjugated. So if you look at the P, the carbonyl group there definitely provide conjugation because partial positive charge provide the continuity in the resonance. Here lone pair participate in the resonance. So if you look at it, it has 6 pi electron, definitely 4n plus 2, so it's aromatic system. So if you look at the Q, oxygen also has lone pair, it also donates, and carbonyl provide the conjugation, so it is also aromatic. If you look at the R, it has 4n electron which is 4 pi electron with conjugation, so definitely 4n system conjugation, it is anti-aromatic. The concept you have to learn here is aromaticity decided by the Huckel rule. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.